Our chicken is looking quite delectable. The aroma is to die for, and I'm sure that the taste will be flavorsome. Today, we'll be cooking Barbie fried chicken, Jamaican style. Season your chicken with your scallion, thyme, onion, sweet pepper, a little Cajun seasoning, and paprika. Don't forget the garlic now. Process that I'll be using is to flour first, then to immerse it in the egg mixture, and then back into the flour. Put it straight into the hot oil that is waiting on the stove. After about 10 minutes of pressure frying, remove the lid and turn the chicken over on the other side to get a lovely color. It's best to fry the chicken in a non-stick pot so it will not get burned. In fact, pressure frying your chicken allows your chicken to get tender and is well cooked at the same time. It will not allow the chicken to dry out, as pressure frying your chicken seals in all the flavor. And that is a secret that is held so dearly by all the fast food companies that sells fried chicken. we'll be using half cup ketchup and half cup barbecue sauce along with 1 cup of fruit juice to make our sauce. We're now adding our chicken to our sauce so that it can get that nice juicy flavor. Our chicken is looking quite delectable. The aroma is to die for, and I'm sure that the taste will be flavorsome. And to seal in the flavor, we'll now be adding our chicken to the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes.